Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin posts on Instagram profile. First, you just need to open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner here. Now if you want to pin a post, then you have to hold on that post and you will find this pin to profile option here. Now tap on pin to profile. Now here you can see the pin icon has just appeared on this post, so that means you have just pin that post on your Instagram profile. So you can just unpin it by hold on this post again, and you will find the unpin from profile option at the same place. Now you just need to tap on for it once and it will just unpin that post from your Instagram profile. So that's how you can just pin or unpin posts on Instagram profile. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.